G'day everyone!
Today we will be assembling our first personal computer, aka PC.
Hopefully you will enjoy this video.
The computer will have the following specifications: AMD Ryzen 5 3.6 GHz processor, MSI B450A Pro Max motherboard, 16 GB of RAM with 3600 MHz, crucial 500 GB M2 solid state drive, as well as Seagate Barracuda 4TB internal hard drive, GeForce graphics card RTX 2060 with 6 GB of memory, Cooler Master Masterbox TD500 mesh with controller case, and power supply 650 watt 80 plus gold certified. PC Part Picker website was used to choose all the necessary parts for this PC, and the order was made online. All of them arrived within a week, and we have followed the YouTube video instruction to build the PC. It roughly took about 3 hours to assemble the computer and install the Windows operating system.
It's way easier to destroy the city now. Zippy Zaxxon!